Quality doors start with quality plates. Precise plates mean precise doors. Fancy introduces automatic cutting technology. CNC systems control the blade for high straightness and minimal error. Standardized blanking improves efficiency while ensuring the flatness and structural stability of the entire door. For engineering projects, craftsmanship speaks volumes. Fancy by Hiju. Professionalism you can see.